I am in Arizona visiting my sister and friends, and I just thought I would bring you in a day of my life here. It's actually my sister Kirsten's birthday. Tonight, I don't think we're gonna celebrate with friends just yet, but we're gonna go get dinner, get pictures, all the things, and just hang out with each other because I missed her. Meanwhile, I will be doing school in her apartment all day. I just worked out and now I'm going to wash my face, and I wanted to just show you guys what I am recently doing because it's pretty new and I love it, and my sister-in-law put me on the most insane product ever. So I go in with the jelly cleanser from Drunk Elephant. I always break out so bad right before a trip, so I'm trying to clear my skin. Then after that, I go in and use this oil. It's a Sea Buckthorn Best Skin Ever Cleanser Moisturizer, and I'm just gonna put this on and use my gua sha to kind of rub it into my skin. And I've only used this, I think, 5 times now. And I can already see a difference in the texture, and it's clearing my acne, so it's so good. So nice. It just makes my skin look so glowy. I love it. About to make my coffee. Kirsten made some cold brew, and I'm gonna make a pumpkin cold foam. So it's gonna be like a pumpkin cream cold brew from Starbucks. She's very good. But the cold foam isn't a strong pumpkin, so it's very subtle. It's very good. I'll be sipping on this while I spend time with Jesus. I'm going to get ready for the day because I will be more productive to do all my schoolwork and answer a couple of emails, and I have to post for a brand. So we're gonna do that. Maybe this. Okay, I'm going to wear these khaki cargos. I think that would look good together. 3, 2, 1. Voila. Okay, I do not think I'm digging the pants with this. What to do, what to do. Okay, so now I'm getting ready. I am gonna keep the pants on. I don't know, probably will change if we go out, but I'm just doing my makeup. And I think a couple vlogs ago I showed you guys my little routine I got going on, but yeah. Wow, mascara just makes the world of a difference. I have yet to do homework, but it's fine. We'll get it done. I'm so excited for tonight. I think that's gonna be so fun. We're gonna go to this cute taco place. It's called Two Hippies, and it's honestly Instagram famous, and it's great, and it's just adorable. So I can't wait to take you guys there. I'm about to go make some lunch. I am starving. I think I'm never gonna cut my hair. I don't know. I just don't think I would like short hair on me. I also am going to go blonde when I get home. I know I'm not listening to all the fall girlies when they want to go brunette in the fall and winter, which I usually do, honestly. But I think blonde's the move at the moment. Yum. Hello guys, I have just been doing homework for like the past hour, and now I'm FaceTiming Natalie because I miss her. How cute is she? Mwah. Kirsten gets off work in like an hour and a half. Yay! Say yay, Nana! Yay! So I'm excited. Dinner was delish. I changed into some sweatpants, and now we're going to have a little flash candle cupcake photo shoot for Kirsten for her birthday. It's gonna be so cute. Go check out her Instagram at The Life of Kirsten. Picture location. Kirsten is going to be all mysterious in the dark. All mysterious in the dark. Okay. Oh my, it's gonna look amazing.
Extra? Okay.
I'll just do that. That is straight fire with my presets. Link in bio.
Those are all terrible.
She is so rude to me. That was really long. Kirsten had the most brilliant idea to just throw the cupcake up in the air.
It worked beautifully.
It did indeed work. Let me just show you. All for that little thing.
In the other shot, it's better.
In my name. They'll have a measure of power. They'll walk in things. And if you do not know the Spirit of God, you will do not discern the Spirit ourselves.
Morning, everybody. I thought I would just extend this vlog a little bit. For today's coffee, I'm gonna do a little pour over. I haven't had a pour over in literally so long. Okay, I'm gonna make a little TikTok as well while I'm doing this. Perfect. Okay. Put them in. Okay, while I'm waiting, I'm gonna make a pumpkin cold foam like I did yesterday. It was just so good. This is the kind that I use, by the way. Nature Mix. I'm also going to clean Kirsten's apartment. Just like the floor's named swept and mopped. As you can see, I need to do dishes. But I think, I don't know, I think this one's a little too small, but we might have to work with it. Okay, so I wanted to show you Kirsten's cute little guest room that I stay in while I'm here. It has this little mirror, and then you walk in, and to the right, there's this cute little chair. Kirsten's decorations are just adorable and very her. And then there's this little light, and there's like a bookshelf up here. And then this is a cute little dresser. She made me this cute little guest basket. Wow, she's just so cute. I just stuck a bunch of my pants right there, but ignore that. And then this is the bed in the corner. Then we have all of my bags and my hats. And then I just put the shoes over here, and this is the closet. I hung up a couple of my things, but Kirsten definitely uses this closet too, even though she has a gigantic one. Okay, I am now going to work out. I need a hair tie. Hold on. I've been using the Life Pro vibration machine, and it's literally amazing. I get my arms done and my abs done and my legs in like 20-30 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sorry, did not vlog very much today. We just watched, what game was it?
Chiefs and Chargers game?
Chiefs and Chargers. The Chiefs won. We're gonna play a little game.
We're gonna do it's like a draft.
A draft of our opinions on different subjects.
Yeah.
We played this yesterday and it was really fun.
It was.
It's like competitive. Kirsten gets too competitive during it and I'm like, why? Last night we did Disney movies, Disney Channel movies, originals. We did like Disney classics, and then we did fruit and cereal.
We did a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were up late.
A TikToker does this. That's why we're doing this.
Yeah, it's really funny. Or a podcast does it. Baby animals.
Okay, you go.
Okay.
Oh my.
Number one baby animal.
I think I got mine.
You think you have yours?
Yeah, I'm saying mine. A baby manatee.
They're
literally so cute. Manatees are my favorite animal.
They look the same as the parents.
Exactly. Manatee is top pick.
I'm gonna go with baby panda as my topic. They're just so lumpy.
Elephant.
That's pretty cute.
You could ride on it.
Yeah. Should I try to steal one from you?
Sure.
Baby otter.
I was gonna say that.
Yeah, for sure.
They go on the mom.
That's why it's cute.
Oh.
That's a solid round two.
Yeah. Third, a chick.
Like a chicken.
A chick.
This is wild.
Okay.
Puppies. I'm just claiming all dogs.
Good. Puppies. Puppies are good. I'm going with a cub. Why didn't we say cub?
Because I said bear. I said a panda.
A
lion cub?
Lion cub.
Oh.
So cute.
I'm gonna go with baby monkey. My fourth pick. Oh, I have my
Fifth?
last. I have the best pick.
Fifth. It's gonna end up off with a bang.
I have a good one.
Giraffe.
Good one.
Giraffe.
I knew you were gonna say that. Last pick. This was good. Baby turtles. The ones that are like this big. Are you kidding me? So cute.
Babies look the same as the adults.
But they're so little.
Okay, what's another topic?
Or
We could do Halloween movies.
Okay, well,
Halloween
ours are gonna be
movies.
different.
No, they're not.
Okay, fine.
You go first.
Okay, Harry Potter. First one.
Halloween?
Yeah,
Twitches.
that's fine. I don't really like Twitches.
I
knew
love
you love
Twitches.
Twitches. Okay, so mine's first Harry Potter.
Twitches.
Second, Halloween Town High.
Is that the second one?
That's my second. No, that's like the third one or second. Maybe
I'm
second.
saying Halloween Town. The second one.
That okay. Mine's the one where they're at school.
Mine is the one that is not the first.
Halloween Town. There's Halloween Town. Halloween
Let's
Town
just
High.
go with-
Return to Halloween Town.
Actually, no. Let's just scrap that. Twitches 2.
Wow. Okay, let's do Casper the Friendly Ghost.
That's what I was gonna do. I love Casper.
So cute.
That's the one with Olivia Holt. Monster something. Girl versus monster or something.
Fair.
Okay, I'll go with that.
Can I pick zombies?
Sure.
Zombies.
I'll just go with Hocus Pocus.
Okay.
I think I've seen it twice.
Fair. We weren't allowed to watch many Halloween shows, but I know there was some.
Yeah, guys, we weren't
Halloween.
allowed to watch like the Halloween Towns,
Mm-mm.
the Hocus Pocus,
Twitches was pretty much it.
Twitches, yeah.
Maybe the Wizards of Waverly Place movie. Just
There's no way you put that in there.
no. Okay,
That
I'm
is
gonna go with this.
not-
I'm gonna go with the second Harry Potter then.
Okay.
I
I
would
can't
have.
believe you went with Harry Potter too.
I would have gone.
You're just
honestly,
going
the
Wizards.
First 5.
Halloween.
Hot-
Kirsten
yeah.
said wizards.
Yeah, that's how it works in my brain.
Bands.
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 What about artists? Like one person.
Artist, yeah. Well, yeah, anybody.
Okay.
Oh, I
already know
gotta
my
start.
number one out.
I would say Lainey.
That's
my
fine because
first.
I'll take the Ben Camino.
Yeah,
That's my top.
yeah. And then I'll go Love. If
Bye.
that's how you pronounce his name.
I think it's Lobby.
Lovey.
That's how I've heard other people say it. I think.
Lovey. I've never heard anybody say it.
Mm.
I've always
Or people just talk
said
about
it,
the
yeah.
song. My second.
See, I feel like I'm getting all secular in my mind. I'm not really thinking about like
Yeah.
Chris Renzema or.
Let's just do all secular then.
Okay. I know what you're gonna say. I know it. It's a year.
The 1975. I do love them, but I don't know if I'd pick them for my second.
Okay. They're solid like 4 or 5.
I'm gonna have to go with Khalid.
Okay.
Because he
He's
wrote
solid.
the greatest album of all time. American Teen.
I'm going with Big Time Rush.
Wow.
3rd.
Okay.
There's no bad song.
For sure.
There's no bad song.
That's how I feel
They're above
about
One Direction.
my third pick.
Okay.
The Jonas Brothers.
Okay. Yeah.
That's like
I don't like their music
season of
now.
mine.
Too much though.
It's gotten better.
I'm gonna say Dayglow. They have the grooviest songs.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna go with someone you don't even know.
Okay.
His name is Gatan or Gatan. He does like covers.
Mm-hmm.
He does the Nothing Else cover.
Oh yeah. Okay. He does all the cool.
Presents.
Harry Styles.
Okay, that's not how I was gonna pick.
Harry
That's a
Styles.
good pick. Okay, my last pick is Ariana Grande.
We could do flowers or condiments.
I thought about flowers. Let's do condiments.
Okay. You get to start because I think
Frick
I
yeah. Chick-fil-A sauce.
I want to say
Chick-fil-A.
ketchup, but I don't want to say ketchup, you know?
There's 7 times a day.
Cane sauce.
I knew you were gonna say
Cane
that because
sauce!
Okay, my next, is this even a condiment? Sour cream.
I would say. Ketchup.
Okay, fair. I'm going with ranch. Ranch specifically from restaurants.
Yeah.
Not the Hidden Valley.
I said buffalo.
You said buffalo.
I love
That would
buffalo sauce.
never touch my palate. I'm gonna have to do yum yum sauce. Yeah.
Yum yum is so good.
So good.
I'm mad. Should I say barbecue? Barbecue.
Okay.
Barbecue's good.
Hear me out. Zesty sauce from Burger King. It tastes so
I'm saying
good.
sweet and sour from McDonald's. So good. That was a good round.
That was a good round.
We did it fast.
Let's do fast food joints.
Okay.
Okay, I have my top. You
Okay, I
can go.
have to start.
Yeah.
Cane's.
Okay. Dang.
I like that above Chick-fil-A now.
That's fair.
Cane's is good.
Cane's is Taco Bell.
Okay, yeah,
Number
Taco Bell is so
one.
good. Cheap, good.
And it hits every
I'm
time.
saying Chick-fil-A.
Dang. I was
Yeah.
gonna do that.
I'll say
number two.
Chick-fil-A.
I say Starbucks because I get my cheese Danishes there. Yes, that piece.
We should try the
Taco Bell.
pumpkin,
Oh yeah. that'd
like
be good.
muffin.
Yeah.
We should get that on, like before church or something.
Yeah, that'd be a vibe.
I'm gonna say Wendy's because I love their salads.
Their salads
I'll
are
say
so
Wendy's.
good.
I get Wendy's probably the most frequent.
I'm gonna say Sonic.
Their pretzels.
The pretzels.
Oh my.
And
Their wraps.
The wraps, they don't have
I
them
know.
here.
That stinks. I'll go with McDonald's solely because their fries are so good.
And the chickens.
It's Sprite.
Sprite.
The Sprite hits
Sprite
different.
wins any beverage contest.
Every beverage at
Uh-huh.
McDonald's is so much better.
Yeah. Arby's. I love Arby's.
Arby's is pretty good.
A lot of people hate it.
Oh, it's good.
I think
their
it's
sandwiches.
so good.
You gotta get the side
And
of
the
cheese.
yes, side of cheddar.
Yeah. Can I say Subway?
No, it's not fast. It's
There's
fast
a
food.
there's
I
a.
thought about Subway.
I'm saying Subway because there's a drive-through one. Subway.
Yeah, I'm gonna say Panda Express
That's good.
because it's
That was a good round.
slow.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. We're probably gonna chill and watch a movie. I'll see you guys next Friday for my next video. Let us know what we should
Arizona
do in the
Adventures.
comments down below
Oh,
because I'll still
are
be
you
here.
not telling me?
What?
Did you tell people you're here?
Yeah.
Arizona
Surprise!
Adventures.
I did not get very much content because when you're having fun,
And doing
content
schoolwork?
just
Out
doesn't
the
flow.
window. It's true.
So, okay, well, peace out. Bye.